Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Cyberconnect. We'll just call it Cyber, but that's the name of the project. Haven't covered this in a while, but I know a lot of you in the community are trading it, so I just wanted to make an update on that, give you my thoughts on it. It's a bit of a second rally, perhaps, after the huge rally up here, which actually can be very bullish at times. So we'll talk about that. We'll talk about the different possibilities from here. Right now, like Cyber has been very, very bullish until like yesterday evening. Still continued its bullish momentum this morning, in my time zone at least. But it has found significant resistance at around $6.5/$7. That's the entire resistance level. So the big question is will it be able to continue rallying higher towards at least $7.5 and $8? And potentially even higher afterwards. That's what we'll talk about. So there's enough to talk about. Let's get right into it. I do think same as that other rally. I think there's a consensus about that. I call rallies manipulation a lot. I'm sorry, but to me, manipulation is not that much of a big word. Like everything is manipulated to a certain extent, right? It's not a dichotomy. It's a gradient, if that makes sense. I hope it does. But if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, for example, like a lot from Top Credit, BK, Upbit, that just usually means it's manipulated. Doesn't matter, all right? Apart from that, you can also see that on futures, or at least on perpetual swaps, Cyber is showing a lot of momentum. Basically since yesterday night, it has spiked up in open interest, huge positions opened, and still right now open interest is very high, and volume as well. It's no longer increasing, that might be a little bit bearish, but okay. So let's dive right into the technicals. All right, the situation for Cyber right now is as following. And I want to take a look at some liquidation levels for that, because I know a lot of people are trading Cyber, so there's a lot of open interest. So there are some heavy liquidation levels probably. And right now it looks like, it's not too bad, but it looks like there's big liquidation levels around 7 and then like 5.8, 5.9. So that creates this situation that and I think this is true. Like I think Cyber is kind of stuck in this area. All right, between let's say 6.8 and 5.8. And the technicals actually do add up to that because there's major resistance around $7 and major support at $6. So Cyber will break out of this area. All right, it will break out of this area probably soon, probably in the next 24 hours. So the big question is well, which one of those levels is it going to break above first? And that's difficult. All right, I have to say, because Cyber has been this bullish and because the open interest has not dropped down that much yet, I have to say that it's most likely that Cyber will get that bullish breakout and will rally up higher towards 7.5 and $8. That's that's what I always do. If there's no bearish indication, why would I say it's bearish? Like it's always it's innocent until proven guilty, right? So I have to tell you that the market structure will continue as is. But the thing is, and that's a difficult thing with these videos, like I'll monitor this throughout the entire day and I'll see when it turns bullish or when it turns bearish. And at this moment it's very bullish, but if the open interest and the volume start decreasing now, like they haven't been increasing for the last couple of hours, if they start decreasing, then that's major bearish confirmation, all right? And then it becomes more likely that Cyber will fall down towards 5.8, get a major bearish breakout, and fall down towards this level right here at $5, and then the rally is over. So it's very difficult, all right? I would say go to Leviathan, all right? There's a website called LAEVITAS, and if you go there, and if you go, like this is what you'll see, and if you go to global perpetual swaps and you type in Cyber, quick tutorial, you can click on it, and if this starts dropping down, this green line, it becomes more likely that it will fall. All right, at the time of making this video, it's more likely that it will continue. So that's my prediction. I could be wrong, but all right, but keep an eye on that. All right, that's my take on Cyber. Lastly, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my own trades, and I'm a profitable trader, which helps. And you gain access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.